First we had goats and coats. Now we have Lambies and Jammies. Those are the two boys. And these are the two girls. Look how cute. So I put these jammies on them because it's supposed to be like -20 on Tuesday. And these are really lightweight, so it shouldn't really interfere with their coats any. So, yeah, but they're just really cute, and I wanted to put them on there. They're not really sure what to think about it. I mean, they've never had clothes on before. Even moms aren't too sure about them, but they're so cute. So I went to a surplus store here in town, and these are dog pajamas for Christmas. But they're just perfect because the back end is cut out, so I don't have to worry about poop or pee. And anyway, I just thought they were cute.